name's Marissa Broven. My business is We Breathe, and I'm located in West Footscray. I'm a breathing coach, and I teach people how to restore healthy, functional breathing through the Buteyko breathing method. So I work with people that might have anxiety, sinusitis or rhinitis, stress, high blood pressure, a whole range of different issues. And I'm also increasingly seeing more people that might have some breathing difficulties since having had COVID or a cough and just need a little bit of help establishing healthy breathing again. My business started last year, and during that time we were in and out of lockdown, so it's been really important that I'm able to offer a service that people can use online. So I'm located in West Footscray, but I'm also able to support people with online breathing. So a friend told me about the digital solutions program and said she'd had a really good experience. She talked about the fact that you get to work one-on-one with a mentor. So I thought that was a fantastic opportunity to work with a mentor one-on-one and get some professional support in an area that I was kind of a bit new to me. I didn't actually have a real digital strategy in place. And in fact, the thought of digital strategy was a bit overwhelming, not knowing where to start and not having a background in that area. So since joining the program and having a mentor work one-on-one with me, it's been really helpful to help break that down into smaller pieces so it feels a little bit more manageable, and being able to take little bites at different digital priorities has been really helpful. One of the things that was really helpful through the program and working with my mentor was to think about the persona of your potential client and to write content specifically for that person. So that was actually really helpful in thinking about how to write content both for like the website but also for some of the social media posts. And it was also reaffirmed back to me how useful that was when my very first client actually got in contact with me and basically pretty much matched the persona and all the qualities that I'd kind of imagined for a potential client. So I've implemented a range of things based on my mentor's advice through the program. Some things were really easy to implement, like some of feedback she gave me about my logo. A lot of the website stuff was really easy to implement and really helpful. There's also been a lot of advice around social media and making a bit more of an appearance on Reels on Instagram. That's something that I'm working on and getting there slowly. I would highly recommend the Digital Solutions Program to other people working with small businesses. I have actually already recommended it to probably about 6 of my friends. I think it's a really fantastic opportunity for people to get one-on-one mentoring from professionals in this small business online space.